So it finally had to happen. I finally had to replace this sprinkler here on zone 3 earlier today. Came home from work and it was broken. Um, the old sprinkler is over there. But the old sprinkler that was there was probably about over 20 years old, and it had like a couple years ago it got dirt in there. Just a bunch of dirt from the secondary water canal. And when they were pressurizing the system, it somehow got dirt in there. But ever since then, it's been having problems and wouldn't go down all the way. And it's got worse every year. So I had to replace it because I noticed that it was up and somebody stepped on it or something happened and it was broken. So I replaced that today. Just the way that I found it earlier because they were going to come on. Their schedule to come on later tonight anyways, and now they're on. So this one I replaced, and I put a yellow nozzle on this one instead of a blue one. I had a blue one before. Let's see if I can show you. Yep, there it is. It doesn't look all that great, I know. It's kind of bent and tilted. I wasn't sure if it was going to be, because like years ago I replaced that one there, and around the same time the one over there, and you might not be able to see it. And those ones, when I replaced them, the pipe was directly underneath, so it wasn't hooked up on the side. But this one was hooked up on the side, and I think I know why. And I wasn't surprised that it was hooked up on the side, because you see, it's kind of messy, but with that crack of the patio here, like all this patio over there was added on it in 2006. And this patio here and all of this was original. And so this has always been here, so when this one was designed, you know, I don't think the sprinkler was here because it was kind of close to that one. I think it was more so right there. And then there was also another pop-up there on zone 1 to get this area, because all this area was grass. It used to be a bush there in the garden. Anyway, they added a patio in 2006, according to the satellite pictures. So, I'm not surprised that one had it hooked up on the side, because it was probably originally there, and then they just moved over here when they added this patio. And since then, really, it's been shooting along, working good. Never had a problem for the last couple of years. So, I'll show you the old one. The top came off when I was trying to replace it, but I'll show you the top too. Don't mind all the mess. There it is. So it was a 2045A Maxi Paw, and I've noticed the older Maxi Paws say Rainbird and then they say Maxi Paw. But if you look at the newer ones, they don't say that. They'll say Rainbird and then they'll say like a phone number on there or something. You might just tell those numbers. Kind of hard to see, but yeah. So I am a little bummed out about that. But I've got the old one right here, the old top, and then the side here. You see it's all broken. There's the old nozzle over there. All the dirt. So, and then also that one over there. Hold on, let me move. There's one over there. Might not be able to see it. I added a yellow nozzle on there. I changed the nozzle from blue to yellow. And then the one over there on zone 6 is not on right now. But I changed that one's nozzle to yellow. So it used to have a black one, so now it's yellow. So there were some changes I did. This one now has a yellow nozzle, that one has a yellow nozzle, and that one has a yellow nozzle. And my iPad is reflecting like a light on the house. This is the opposite direction facing, so I don't know how it's doing that. But basically you can't see it because now I'm facing it, but there was like a reflection on the house kind of shining on the windows, hopefully not waking anybody up. Anyways, so yeah. And I'm thinking about tomorrow, before I go to work, I'll probably go through the whole system again, do another, update, and show you all the nozzles and max plugs. And usually it's not really the pop ups I change, it's just the max plug. So with this, with them having yellow nozzles, they spit out more water, so the zone has a little less pressure now. You might have been able to notice it sounds a little more. Like it just has a little less pressure than this one over there. Oh my goodness. I'm not used to that one being fast. This one used to always move really slow. The old one would go like that. Now it moves fast. And so, obviously it's just been replaced. It doesn't look all that great. But when it turns, or when this grass kind of comes back eventually, probably taking a couple months, hopefully it'll look like it's more in the ground. But about it being on the side, or not on the side, about it being hooked up on the side, that means that it takes the dirt to set it in place. It's not like there's a pipe at the very bottom holding it in place. So anyway, that's zone 3 going, and working good. Had to replace this one here. Let me get my fat cells out of the way. And I got sprayed. Just cool to look at. The top piece is a little wobbly, but other than that, pretty good. Oh, got sprayed. You can see that yellow nozzle in there, nice and happy and good. Anyway, that's that. Hope you all enjoyed.